ClaimScout, a service from data-bound healthcare solutions, gets your claim status information faster and helps your claims team be more efficient. ClaimScout's ability to get hard-to-find insurance information makes it the perfect addition to your AR team. By providing better and faster claim status, ClaimScout speeds up the AR process and reduces the time and effort required to collect on rejected claims. How does ClaimScout work? ClaimScout reads in claims data and runs it through a set of customizable rules to automate claims actions and determine when a new status needs to be obtained. When ClaimScout determines it needs to get an updated status, it will go directly to the payer and return the most up-to-date information, which saves your staff valuable time. ClaimScout retrieves detailed claim status information much earlier than is available through standard HIPAA transactions, and that lets your staff get a head start on rejected claims. At the end of the day, the claims are prioritized and sorted according to status, and the ones requiring a human's touch are put into an organized and detailed work list. These results are integrated into your patient accounting system, so your staff can get efficient work done instead of working on claims that don't need to be researched. This makes it easier and faster to get issues resolved and claims paid days earlier than before. ClaimScout is working 24/7, 365 to help your team reduce AR days, saving your staff time and allowing them to focus on tasks that require the human touch. Get ClaimScout today and see how much easier and faster your rejected claims can be resolved. Call us or visit databoundhealthcare.com to learn more.